Now, what is DNA? DNA is the substance in the nucleus of a cell that controls heredity. Thus, DNA is the blueprint of life. Richard Bright had time for other interests too. He became a champion debater and public speaker. He became a good canoeist. He also became an expert photographer, particularly of nature and scientific exhibits. He praised his social studies teacher, Mr. Wehrer. He had opened Bright's mind to new ideas. Richard Bright was competitive, but not in a bad sense. He was not interested in winning for winning's sake or winning to get a prize. He wanted to be the best. The making of a good scientist was present in Bright. He had a first-rate mind. He had curiosity. He had the will to win for the right reasons. The book, The Travels of Monarch 10, opened the world of science to him. He had never lost his scientific curiosities. And this was the journey of a young child becoming a young scientist. So if we discuss the main point of the characteristics of Richard A. Bright, so we can say he was a multifaceted genius, a great scientist, debater, canoeist, etc. He used to collect the butterflies since childhood, worked on monarch butterflies, cell and its DNA. Inspired by his mother, Dr. Eucrat, and his teacher, R.A. Wehrer. These were the personalities who impressed his life and tried to change his view towards the life. His mother encouraged and inspired Bright's interest in learning. Famous for work on monarch butterflies, Dr. Eucrat, taught at University of Toronto, helped Bright with new ideas and suggestions. So we can say, after going through the chapter, that whatever we can learn from anyone, we should try to grasp. Interest from the childhood is the more important in life. We should be interested, we should be curious from the childhood. We should have determination, and if we are determined, we can practice the things in life and we can achieve what we want to be in the life. It all depends on the efforts. So the journey of making of a scientist gives you the idea to be determined, to be confident, to be regular in your practices, in your trials, and don't worry about the turbulence that come in the life. Whatever comes in life comes to teach you something new, something interesting, something helpful for your benefit. So that's all about making of a scientist. In the next video, we will start with the reading and come up with the difficult words which you may face with the meaning of all those. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.